In this video, I will teach you how to do finishes in Apex Legends. So, stay tuned. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, tutorials, and upcoming videos. After you've downed an enemy in Apex Legends, you're given the chance to perform a finisher. Finishers are special cutscenes that allow you to eliminate an enemy in style. With your opponent down, you can press the corresponding finisher button. E or other bound key for PC, X for Xbox One, and square for PS4 if you're close enough to your opponent to finish them off. Finishers can be cancelled by enemies, and it may take a few seconds to perform. So, if you're not safe, you're better off not doing them. Each legend has more than one finisher. You can view their other animations in the Legends customization pages. You will automatically have one default finisher unlocked, and the others can be crafted with 1200 crafting metal. If you're an Apex Legends enthusiast, you might want to check the links below. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.